Here I have a package drop-off shed that I built. You can pull down this little drawer, put the package in, and then the package will slide into a basket in the inside. This is a great thing for Amazon packages or when my customers drop off electronics for me to fix. It's just made from recycled wood. I would just use some old dresser for this wood right here, and it's made also from pallets. The outside is a cupboard door that I found along the road. Coming around, we can have a look. You can see it has a lock on the door, and then when I look in here, I can see if any packages were dropped into the basket here. And you can't reach in from the outside. It's about 5 feet off the ground, and when you pull it out, the bottom wood closes down. So this is the outside, what it looks like. Here's the build. You can see it's made from pallets, and I just got them from a local business. The roof is made from all pallets there. There's 2 pallets wide, and the walls are also made from pallets. So you can see the drawer just goes out and then in. And I also got this window so that I can look inside to see if anything is left inside. This window I got for free again. Beside a dumpster, I had a cracked on the right hand side, but it seems to be working really nice. So it's not a very big shed, but it's just good for holding bikes, or I use it mostly for packages. Again, the roof is all from pallets, and I just nailed them in sideways. The wall, the pallets are horizontally sideways, and 2 pallets high, and just using nails to secure them. You can put 2x4s too to make it more strong. I didn't have to. I just used some thick nails and bent them over. And yeah, you can see it's all made mostly from recycled wood. And also this door I found beside the dumpster. So I thought, hey, why not make a little shed for my packages? Also, I have a push lawnmower. So on the left hand side, you can see that I have this little push mower shed. And I can take it open here and pull it my push mower, and it just goes in there nicely, and it gives me more room because I don't have to keep it in my other shed. So here's the outside look of it. Today I also am putting some stain on the outside wood. So here's the build. First, what I did was I got some shingles and some pallets, and I built it. And this is how the roof was put together. I put a row of shingles at the very bottom. You start from the bottom and then you go up. I'll go up the ladder and let you have a look. You can see the shingles. I made them from a cedar tree that fell down on my dad's farm. And I'll just be putting layers on. You can see there's an overlap there. I used a wood splitter to split the cedar shingles, and they're quite thick. I didn't make them thinner, but it seems to be working okay. And then the next layer, I'll overlap right in the middle again. And you just do layer by layer until you get to the top. I also put some tar paper down. So here's the finished build there on the roof. You can see each layer kind of comes out about 6 inches, and each one is about 12 inches long. I'm putting some varnish on it. I left it over the winter, and it kind of changes a little bit darker. So I wanted to put the stain on it, and I put some cedar stain, semi-transparent, and it looks really good. There you can see the colors coming along. When I build these kind of projects, I try to reuse as much material as possible. This shed, again, it didn't cost me any money. Basically, I had all the materials available from the shingles and the pallets. The siding I had from other projects, and I also got the stain on sale last year, so I thought, hey, why not? I'll just stain up the shed and make it look nice. So here's the outside, the back that's going into my backyard. And then the access to the outside this is where they drop off the package. You just pull out that little door there. Also has my mailbox for them to have a look at. Alright, thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe.